guy?
Nothing, man. Just observing my belly button.
So what are you watching?
Tati ki kahani.
Nice.
Ah, it's freaking uncomfortable.
Dude, what the hell are you doing, man? What are you doing?
I'm just getting text messages.
What are you talking about? You don't even have your phone out.
You gotta calm down, okay? I just got my phone install surgery, and my phone's inside me now.
What are you talking about?
I'll never lose it.
What? What? What?
I'll prove it to you. Call me.
Call you.
Yeah, call me.
Okay, okay.
I'm so excited. This is my first phone call.
Alright, watch this, watch this. Let's see what happens. I don't believe you.
Look, I'll show you.
I don't
I'll
believe
prove
it.
it to you. Look, it's intense. Look.
What the hell?
What? Look.
Yeah.
Okay, I got a text.
How do I fix you? How do I fix you?
Turn me off!
How do I
Turn me off!
How do I
Stop! Turn it off! Turn it off! It hurts! It hurts so much! It hurts so much! It hurts so
Najib. Yup, Najib. Najib, I gotta go to school, man. I gotta go to school.
Don't leave me! It's summer, you liar! It's summer! Will you shut up?
You fixed me.